discussing test deliverables in software testing. A software testing project goes through different phases before delivery to the customer. In such process, there are different deliverables that are created. What is a deliverable? A deliverable is a product or outcome that is given to the client. A deliverable can be a software product, a design document, or any other asset that is required. Test deliverables. Test deliverables are the artifacts, which means things that are produced by people involved in the process and are given to the stakeholders. Some deliverables are provided before testing phase, some during the testing phase, and rest after the testing cycle. The below are the list of test deliverables: test strategy, test plan, effort estimation report, test scenarios, test cases or scripts, test data, requirement traceability matrix, that is RTM, defect or bug report, test execution reports, graphs and metrics, test summary report, test incident report, test closure report, release note, installation or configuration guide, user guide, test status report, and weekly status report. We will be discussing all these deliverables step by step. Test strategy. Test strategy is a high-level document which is a static document and usually developed by a project manager. It is a document which captures the approach on how we go about testing the product and achieve the goals. It is normally derived from the business requirement specification, that is BRS. Documents like test plan are prepared by keeping this document as a base. Test plan. Test plan document is a document which contains the plan for all the testing activities to be done to deliver a quality product. The test plan document is derived from the product description, SRS, or use case documents for all future activities of the project. It is usually prepared by the test lead or test manager. Effort estimation report. In this report, usually test teams mention the efforts put in to complete the testing process by the test team. Test scenarios. Test scenario gives the idea of what we have to test. Test scenario is like a high-level test case. Test cases or scripts. Test cases are the set of positive and negative executable steps of a test scenario, which has a set of preconditions, test data, expected result, post conditions, and actual results. Test data. Test data is the data that is used by the testers to run the test cases. While running the test cases, testers need to enter some input data. To do so, testers prepare test data. It can be prepared manually and also by using tools. Requirements traceability matrix, that is RTM. RTM is also known as traceability matrix or cross-reference matrix. It is used to trace the requirements to the tests that are needed to verify whether the requirements are fulfilled. Defect report. The purpose of using defect report template or bug report template is to convey the detailed information like environment details, steps to reproduce, etc. about the bug to the developers. It allows developers to replicate the bug easily. Test execution report. It contains the test results and the summary of test execution activities. Graphs and metrics. Software test metrics is to monitor and control process and product. It helps to drive the project towards our planned goals without deviation. Metrics answer different questions. It's important to decide what questions you want answers to. Test summary report. It contains the summary of test activities and final test results. Test incident report. It contains all the incidents such as resolved or unresolved incidents which are found while testing the software. Test closure report. It gives a detailed analysis of the bugs found, bugs removed and discrepancies found in the software. Release notes. Release notes will be sent to the client, customer or stakeholders along with the build. It contains a list of new releases and bug fixes. Installation or configuration guide. This guide helps to install or configure the components that make up the system and its hardware and software requirements. User guide. This guide gives assistance to the end user accessing the software application. Test status report. It is to track the testing status. It is prepared on a periodic or weekly basis. It contains work done till date and work remains pending. Weekly status report. It is similar to the test status report but generates weekly. Project manager sends this report to a client. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends.